Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to discuss WhatsApp automations in GoHighLevel. As we all know, GoHighLevel is a super useful platform that helps businesses automate their sales and marketing stuff. Now, with WhatsApp automations, it's even better. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use WhatsApp automations in GHL. And before we jump into the details, I've got a special offer for you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. So GoHighLevel has a ton of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, GoHighLevel makes it super simple to add WhatsApp into your workflows. To unlock WhatsApp automation in GHL, click on the Automation tab in the left menu. Now this opens up the Automations page where you'll see your existing workflows. But if you want to create a new one, click the Create Workflow button. You'll then see two options: select a recipe and start from scratch. If you're new to GHL, I suggest choosing select a recipe, as it gives you a pre-made workflow that you can customize according to your needs. So click on the select a recipe option to go to the recipe library. Here you'll find various pre-made workflows for different purposes, such as lead generation, email drip sequence, send review request, etc., etc. So for this tutorial, we'll use WhatsApp delivery status. Now, to choose this workflow, click on the select option under it. And once you click it, it will take you straight to the workflow builder where you can customize the template to fit your needs. So let me explain how this template works. This workflow helps you send automatic updates about the delivery status of WhatsApp messages after a customer books an appointment. So you can easily adjust and customize the template using the workflow builder to fit your needs. It's a simple way to keep communication with your customers smooth and efficient. So first off, to rename the workflow, click on the title at the top of the screen where it says WhatsApp delivery status. And once you click it, you can change the name to something that fits your needs, like WhatsApp notification flow or appointment message workflow. After that, just type the new name and it'll save automatically. The purpose of this workflow is to make sending delivery updates for WhatsApp messages easy and automatic. So when a customer books an appointment, they'll get a message on WhatsApp. But if the WhatsApp message doesn't go through, the workflow steps in and it does something else, like sending an SMS or email notification instead. This way, everything runs smoothly and customers stay updated without any extra effort. At the start of the workflow, there's a trigger called Customer Booked Appointment. Now this means that whenever a customer schedules an appointment, the workflow kicks off. Right after this, a WhatsApp message is automatically sent to the customer. Then the system checks if the WhatsApp message was delivered successfully. If it was delivered and the system sees the valid WhatsApp is set to true, then the workflow stops because there's nothing else to do. But the WhatsApp delivery fails and valid WhatsApp is set to false, the workflow moves on to send an SMS to make sure that the customer still gets the info that they need. If the system can't figure out the WhatsApp status, it sends an email to the customer instead. That way, no matter what, the customer gets the message. To customize this workflow, just change the trigger to fit your business needs. For example, if you want it to start when something else happens, like order confirmation or payment received, you can update the trigger to do that. And you can also customize the message in the WhatsApp action block. Make sure that it matches your brand's tone and feels right for your audience. Plus, if your audience likes other ways to communicate, you can switch up the fallback actions. Replace SMS or email with something else like a phone call or a push notification. And once you're done setting up the workflow, you need to publish it so that it can start working. To do this, just find the publish button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. Now this will turn on the workflow, making sure that messages are sent out based on the rules that you've set. But if you want to make sure that everything works before going live, you can use the test workflow option. Now, this lets you simulate different scenarios and double check that everything is running smoothly. After you've tested it and you are happy with how it works, go ahead and click the publish to make it live for real customer interactions. Now, the great thing about these WhatsApp automations is they need zero manual effort once you set them up. They make customers happier and they give businesses more time to focus on what really matters. If you're helping local businesses, these automations are super useful. Instead of wasting time on manual replies, businesses can count on automated workflows to handle follow-ups quickly and easily. Additionally, GoHighLevel makes it easy to customize automations. You can adjust the timing, add conditional responses, or include more marketing actions. The platform gives you lots of flexibility to make it work how you want. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial gave you an idea of how powerful GoHighLevel is for automating your WhatsApp communication. So if you're tired of manually sending WhatsApp messages and you want to simplify your process, check the link in the description below. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, I'm going to give you over $900 worth of premium Notion templates for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.